Forget everything you think you know about how buildings get built. The products in this video are breaking rules, shattering limitations, and setting standards the industry never thought possible. Whether you're a professional contractor or simply someone who loves great engineering, what comes next is going to blow your mind. What if a building could be printed, assembled, used for years, and then completely rebuilt somewhere else? In Switzerland, that vision became reality with Tor Alva, a 98-foot 3D printed concrete tower serving as a live cultural venue for art, music, and theatre. Designed by Fundazione Origin and developed with ETH Zurich through robotic concrete extrusion, its 32 hollow columns were built without a single piece of traditional formwork. During the day, it looks as delicate as lace, and at night, it glows like a lantern. Alongside Tekla, Tor Alva proves digital fabrication is permanently redefining architectural possibility. What if your walls could insulate, fireproof, and soundproof themselves, all at the same time? Escoen's ICF system is rewriting the rules of modern construction. These interlocking insulated concrete form blocks eliminate thermal bridges entirely, slashing energy consumption while creating structures that stand strong in virtually any climate. A 1,000 square foot building goes up with a small team in just 3 weeks. Zero additional insulation required. From passive homes to massive commercial buildings, this system delivers fireproof, mold-resistant, near-zero energy structures that last generations. ICF isn't the future of building. It's already here. Imagine a panel that insulates, protects, and performs for decades without failure. Permatherm's insulated metal panels are engineered for environments where temperature control isn't optional, it's critical. Available in R values up to R8 per inch, these panels combine a metal skin with advanced foam cores, including expanded polystyrene and polyiso technology that releases zero off-gassing. The Gen 4 Z-Lock joint seals air infiltration completely, making these panels ideal for cold storage, pharmaceutical facilities, and food processing plants. Permatherm is the only North American manufacturer offering both core types, and that changes everything about building performance. What happens when you need to contain millions of gallons of toxic waste with absolute certainty that nothing leaks through? Noway's Bentafix geosynthetic clay liner is the answer civil engineers worldwide are trusting. Manufactured with high-swelling sodium bentonite clay fused between reinforced geotextile layers, it creates a hydraulic barrier so effective it actually heals itself when damaged. The needle punch structure handles multi-directional stress, making it viable on even the steepest slopes. It carries BBA certification and ISO compliance, meeting the toughest international standards. In landfills, mining operations, and wastewater treatment, Bentafix is redefining what containment engineering looks like. Building a professional terrace used to mean choosing between timber decking and paving slabs, two completely different systems requiring separate infrastructure. Duplast's Profil Deck changes everything by offering a single aluminum joist system that handles both within the same installation. These lightweight, corrosion-resistant joists withstand 1,000 hours of salt mist exposure without compromise. Adjustable riser pedestals enable perfect leveling across uneven and sloped surfaces, while the flagship H55 profile accommodates both timber and slab finishes with equal performance. For outdoor terrace construction, this is the most versatile, professionally engineered, and weatherproof system available to contractors and homeowners today. What if every road you drive on could charge your electric vehicle automatically? Electreon is making that a reality right now. Copper coils embedded beneath the road's surface generate a magnetic field that wirelessly transfers energy directly to receivers installed under EVs while they're moving. In 2023, Electreon launched the world's first public electric road in Detroit, Michigan. Projects are already live in Tel Aviv, Sweden, Italy, and Germany. This technology dramatically reduces battery size, cuts ownership costs, and could eliminate range anxiety forever. Electreon isn't building better chargers, it's turning entire roads into power sources. The housing crisis just met its match. Boxable's Casita is a fully equipped 375 square foot foldable home with a complete kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and living space that can be transported on a standard truck and deployed on site in less than a single day. Starting at just $60,000, it's already generated over 90,000 reservations from people hungry for affordable housing. With more than 600 units built and plans for billion-dollar factory expansion, Boxable is applying automotive-style mass production to home building at a scale never attempted before. Could this finally be the answer to the global housing shortage? Boxable thinks so. Your concrete is sinking, and traditional mudjacking is making it worse. Polycrete's high-density structural polyurethane foam is completely transforming how contractors lift and level failing slabs. Unlike traditional methods that add crushing weight and risk messy blowouts, this lightweight foam requires only tiny injection sites, fills underground voids precisely, and adds virtually no weight to compromised soil. Scientific studies confirm this material remains stable for over 1,000 years. It handles roads, bridges, and industrial floors with equal confidence. Why replace concrete when Polycrete can permanently restore it faster and at a fraction of the cost? Core drilling has always been complicated, heavy, and imprecise, until now. The US Saw's Core EZ is a revolutionary system weighing under 50 pounds, yet capable of drilling core holes from 3 to 10 inches in diameter. Its patented center guide post anchors directly to the wall or floor, channeling downward force with pinpoint accuracy and delivering clean, straight cuts every time. Compatible with both corded and cordless grinders, it requires less than 1 gallon of water per minute. Can any other system match this precision in tight, hard-to-reach spaces? Core EZ has officially set the new drilling benchmark. One machine, endless possibilities. The Rokamat Chameleon is a 1,000-watt universal surface processing tool unlike anything else on the job site today. Its dual counter-rotating discs eliminate vibration and deliver incredibly smooth, controlled performance across walls, ceilings, and floors. Variable speed ranges from 150 to 570 revolutions per minute, giving operators precise control over every application. From grinding EIFS boards and removing stubborn paint, to flattening concrete and smoothing fresh plaster, the Chameleon adapts to virtually any material without surface damage. Weighing just 4.85 pounds, it's remarkably comfortable for extended use. The Rokamat Chameleon doesn't switch tasks, it masters them all simultaneously. Imagine lifting an entire building off its foundation without a single piece of wooden cribbing in sight. Fail-safe House Lifting Systems has engineered the Arrow Lift, a steel-built structural lifting system that completely eliminates the chaos of traditional hydraulic jacking. Each tower handles up to 20 tons, and with just 4 towers, you're moving 80 tons of structure in one seamless continuous motion, rising up to 25 feet without ever resetting the equipment. The workspace underneath stays completely clear and safe for workers and machinery. This isn't just better lifting, it's a total reinvention of how buildings are raised. Modular construction has a new gold standard, and it's built entirely from steel. Klausberg's modular building system integrates CAD/CAM precision planning with certified factory production, delivering structures that achieve the highest levels of thermal protection, moisture resistance, fire safety, and acoustic performance simultaneously. Every building is 100% recyclable, fully relocatable, and designed with a cradle-to-cradle philosophy that eliminates construction waste entirely. Low life cycle costs, near-zero maintenance, and optimized layouts mean less floor space and dramatically lower long-term expenses. Is this what the next generation of construction looks like? Klausberg is already proving it every single day. The outdoor paving industry has long relied on concrete and asphalt, expensive, heavy materials that damage the environment and crack over time. Stroll's Pebble Lock is a 100% recycled plastic honeycomb panel system that locks loose pebbles and gravel firmly in place without any of that. Each panel covers over 5 square feet and costs just $12, making large-scale outdoor projects genuinely affordable. It handles light vehicle traffic, allows water to pass through naturally, and resists erosion even under heavy rain. Could this be the most practical, eco-friendly paving solution available today? It absolutely could. What if your home could literally disappear into the landscape while keeping you warm in winter and cool in summer without running a single HVAC system at full capacity? Green Magic Homes makes that reality with modular fiber-reinforced polymer structures designed to be buried under earth and living vegetation. These homes resist mold, rot, and pests without maintenance, and their rounded low-profile architecture withstands earthquakes up to magnitude 8.5. What if you could insulate an entire building with a system that cuts energy use by 70% while making it look like it was built from traditional brick? Eurobrick's X-Clad system is quietly revolutionizing how we think about external wall insulation. These extruded polystyrene panels weigh almost nothing, install in hours without extra foundations, and last over 25 years. They work on timber, steel, and masonry structures alike. From retrofits to brand new modular builds, X-Clad is delivering thermal performance and architectural beauty in one lightweight package. This is what energy-efficient construction looks like in the modern era. What if you could build a road without pouring a single drop of concrete? Geocross is a revolutionary ground stabilization system crafted entirely from regenerated HDPE plastic, engineered to withstand an astonishing 100 tons of load per square yard. Each tile measures just 22.8 by 22.8 inches, yet hooks together effortlessly to create UV-stabilized, non-slip, fully permeable surfaces suitable for airfields, service vehicle access, and grass stabilization projects worldwide. Traditional mortar is heavy, messy, slow to apply, and demands exhausting on-site mixing before you've even laid a single brick. Smart Massa. SmartOp is a ready-to-use polymer mortar that arrives at your site fully prepared and delivers 20 times the coverage of conventional mortar, meaning just 3.3 pounds covers the same area that would require 66 pounds of traditional material. There's no cement, no sand, and no complicated preparation. Applied in 2 precise beads per block, it sets within 8 hours and reaches full cure in 72 hours. This is the future of masonry: efficient, sustainable, and remarkably clean. Spheres have always been among the strongest geometric shapes in nature, and now they're reshaping residential architecture at a scale that's genuinely hard to ignore. Geodesic and monolithic dome homes offer energy savings, disaster resistance, and construction cost reductions that conventional rectangular houses simply cannot match. Monolithic domes are so structurally robust they qualify as certified FEMA safe rooms, capable of withstanding the most extreme weather events on record. With basic DIY models starting at just $10,000 and configurations ranging from 200 to over 3,200 square feet, who said living in a sphere couldn't be both practical and completely revolutionary? Screeding and leveling large surfaces by hand is slow, exhausting, and nearly impossible to execute with consistent accuracy. Orit BV's Eagleliner changes the entire approach, offering precision leveling in 2 models: the 1200 with widths from 27.5 to 47 inches, and the heavy-duty 2100 reaching up to 83 inches. Height-adjustable wheels enable surface control from -1.6 to +7.9 inches, while stainless steel scraper blades tackle any material type. Backed by a 7-year warranty and starting around $1,000, the Eagleliner is setting a new standard for road construction, landscaping, and large-scale surface preparation efficiency. Flat roofs and terraces have always been vulnerable, prone to water infiltration, root damage, and premature failure. The Star 5 bitumen system takes a completely different approach, building up a multi-layered waterproofing shield that handles everything from fatigue resistance to embedded anti-root protection. It begins with a solvent-based primer, adds self-adhesive elastomeric sheets, and finishes with an embossed aluminum reinforced cap layer. Functional on slopes from 0 to 20% across wood, concrete, and virtually any substrate, whether building new or retrofitting old, Star 5 delivers waterproofing performance that is genuinely built to outlast the structure itself. Roofing that outlasts everything around it. That's exactly what Titane delivers. This EPDM membrane system is engineered for flat and low-slope roofs, demanding decades of flawless waterproofing without compromise. One tube of bottom adhesive covers up to 215 square feet with a single-sided application. No primers needed, no unnecessary steps. These membranes resist every weather condition imaginable and are proven to perform for over 50 years without degradation. They create airtight seals that dramatically improve building energy efficiency. Whether for new construction or major renovation, Titane doesn't just protect your roof, it redefines long-term roofing performance entirely. Potholes don't just destroy your car, they silently drain billions from road maintenance budgets every single year. Agrafill, combined with Chipfill by Gevico, is changing the game with a hot-applied thermoplastic solution that bonds directly to damaged asphalt when heated past 220 degrees Celsius. Apply it, let it cure for just 20 minutes, and the road is open to traffic. For larger damage, Agrafill steps in as a powerful filler for holes over 10 square feet wide and 2.36 inches deep. This isn't just patching roads, it's a smarter, faster, and more permanent approach to road restoration. This machine is proof that incredible power can come in a remarkably small package. The JCB-HTD5 is a diesel-powered mini dumper engineered for spaces where full-size equipment simply cannot go. Just 27 inches wide, narrow enough to pass through a standard doorway, yet powerful enough to lift 1,120 pounds, and tip materials at 57 inches into skips and high-sided vehicles. The 2023 model adds electric start, 2-speed tracking, and Caesar data tag security. Paired with a JCB micro excavator, this compact powerhouse tackles driveways, patios, and foundations where others can't reach. Small machine, transformational capability. Installing plasterboard on ceilings and raked surfaces has always been a physically punishing two-person job, requiring hours of overhead strain and constant repositioning. The Edmaplaque Megaboard Lifter changes that completely, allowing a single operator to lift panels up to 176 pounds to nearly 15 feet using just a standard drill and rack and pinion mechanism. It handles sheets up to 4 feet by 19.7 feet and works in horizontal, angled, and vertical positions with equal precision. With dual handle braking for controlled descent, this tool is redefining plasterboard installation as a streamlined, safe, and genuinely solo operation. Forget expensive formwork. Spider Tie is making concrete wall construction faster, simpler, and more accessible than ever. This ingenious system uses interlocking ties and coarse thread screws to attach plywood panels into a concrete forming framework, exactly like fastening drywall to studs. No heavy forms, no tie wire, no specialized equipment required. The webbed design allows concrete to flow through cleanly, forming a solid monolithic wall while holding rebar firmly in place. It handles curved walls, swimming pools, foundations, and retaining walls effortlessly. Spider Tie doesn't just simplify forming, it completely re-engineers how concrete walls get built. Concrete finishing has never looked or felt like this. The Orange Thunder Hand float with K20 technology is engineered from a material so advanced it's impact-resistant, completely corrosion-proof, and prevents concrete from bonding to its surface entirely. The 16-inch blade with its precisely curved surface lines distributes concrete paste faster than any traditional float, keeping the surface open longer and reducing the total number of passes required. Even on steep inclines, the blade grips without drifting. Dusty walls and exhausting manual sanding are officially a thing of the past. The TacLife Drywall Sander runs on a powerful 6.5 amp motor, delivering variable speeds from 500 to an impressive 1,800 revolutions per minute. Its automatic vacuum system captures up to 98% of dust through a flexible 6.5-foot hose, keeping air clean and visibility crystal clear. The 90-degree pivoting head and floating design self-adjust on uneven surfaces and reach into corners and ceilings effortlessly. Built-in LED lighting illuminates dark work areas automatically. Whether you're smoothing drywall, stripping old coatings, or polishing floors, the TacLife Sander makes every surface professional grade. Small tool, massive capability. The Gobel GO-12-N is redefining what a rivet nut tool can do. Backed by over 40 years of engineering excellence from Gobel GmbH, this forged steel two-hand ratchet tool handles rivet nut sizes from M3 all the way to M12 with effortless precision. Weighing just 2.51 pounds and measuring barely 8 inches long, it delivers industrial-grade performance in an incredibly compact package. Its alloy, steel, and stainless construction means it performs flawlessly in both professional workshops and demanding field conditions. The GO12N doesn't just set fasteners, it sets the standard for riveting technology.